What's going on, guys? It's Shamey Barrett, and today I'm going to show you what a typical day looks like when I shoot listings. So let's check it out. So today I'm going to be checking out two homes in Saint Augustine, Florida, just outside of Jacksonville. They are done by a guy named Alex Rose, investor, flipper, whatever you want to call him. Does an amazing job on all his homes, and whenever I shoot them, it's just like I go in there and I shoot. I don't even question it. A lot of times you go in there and a seller or a family has to kind of move stuff around because of kids and all that stuff. I don't do any of that. It's just like I go in there and shoot. It's perfect. So today I only have one of his, and then his neighbor hit me up too, and you'll get to see that. So here we go. Let's go. So I just arrived to the house, and what did I tell you? It does not disappoint. I'll show you some of the shots that I'm going to take in between. Let's get started. Yo, you see that? Nice, right? Really close to Saint Augustine. Let's show you what the inside is about. It's gonna be crazy, guys. A lot of the times when I shoot staged homes, I like to really show off a lot of the furniture and the accents that they put in the house, because someone took their time and did a really good job with this home, obviously. So I do my best to make it as cinematic as possible. As you can see, like, I'll kind of shoot some of these close shots, really show off the pieces that really make the house itself, and then go from there. So, first video's done. I'm about to go over to the second house. I won't show you guys other than the final product because I don't know this person that well. It's more of like a referral. Really excited and curious because I've heard this guy's got an amazing backyard. Let's see what happens after. It's getting hot. It says it's like 70, 80 degrees. My car says it's like 80. It can't be that. No, no way.
It's hot.
Let's get started. Just past 12. I've got one little thing left I have to shoot, and it's gonna be downtown Saint Augustine for the lifestyle part of my videos. Let's go knock that out real quick. Just got here in downtown, about to shoot some lifestyle shots. Let's get it done, because it's hot. Whew. Just past 2 p.m. I'm about to grab all my stuff, unpack, get everything uploaded and started. If you guys want to see that portion of my workflow, let me know in the comments below. If If you like what you're watching and you want to see more, since this is my first episode, be sure to like, follow, subscribe, all of those things. And be sure to follow me at Shamey Barrett on Instagram. That's it for me. Thank you guys for watching, and I love you. Bye.